So Xiaomi is doing a very great job with Bluetooth speakers at the moment. Of course you all know the Soundmove from last year, which was a pretty good speaker, not necessarily on the bass side, but it had a very good clarity and overall tune. And the funny thing with the Soundmove and also with this ASM02 or so, yeah, this one doesn't really have a nice name, they both are tuned with Harman. And it looks a bit weird, but it looks like Harman is like spending a lot of money into Xiaomi speakers and don't do a lot of things with their own like brands. Let's face it, the ABL speakers, they have been cool for years, but if I see these three speakers, I do understand now why other brands are winning some marketing as well. So today we have this new speaker from Xiaomi. And it also doesn't really have a name, at least not really in the Dutch language. Yeah, it has one name added to it, so you can call it the Xiaomi Camp. So this means it's a speaker meant for camping. And the funny thing with the speaker as well is you have this like lights around. It's only white, but at least warmer color. You can adjust it a bit in brightness, so it's a bit darker, or turn it off. But I do like those lights. It gives it a bit of an halo, and yeah, it does make this outdoor a bit useful with a bit of light in the back. The funny thing with the speaker as well is you can use this speaker in Xiaomi, their electric car, the SU7. So this car is not available in Europe, even just released in China. I don't even think it will be here. But the funny thing, this speaker is actually an accessory for that car. So underneath you have a flap, you can remove. And then you have here some charging pins for the car. So here I don't have any use for it, but don't worry, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It also has USB charging on the rear. So don't worry, it is also meant for normal use. But it's pretty cool, they kind of made this thing a bit more future-proof for their own ecosystem. So on the sound side, this speaker is impressive. It is dual side sounded, so this means that on the front you have a driver, on the rear as well. On the sides you have passive radiators, so this does help to give the speaker very full and big sounding speaker experience. And especially the build quality is very similar to the Soundmove, so some metal, some rubber materials on the sides. It is a pretty impressive speaker, and it is something that the other Xiaomi speakers had as well. And no, Xiaomi doesn't send the speakers because Xiaomi doesn't really do any promotion or anything on these kind of products. So I bought it myself, but yeah, this speaker I paid, I believe, around 150 euros. And yeah, it's just a bit expensive than this one or the Soundmove, but it does sound pretty incredible for me. And the only complaint I could maybe give is that I actually thought it would be bigger. It at least looked a bit bigger on the pictures, but again, it is a loudspeaker. It's pretty clear sound, distortions are minimal. Its bass performance is pretty smooth indoors, and it's a cool thing. So here's some audio samples so you can see it yourself. Again, it will only be on this speaker for now, but I will do some comparison to the other Xiaomi speakers in the future. Enjoy it.
I'll meet you on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor? Yeah, I see you on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor? 'Cause I wanna dance. 'Cause I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. 'Cause I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. Can you meet me on the
miss me when I'm gone.